But on the subject of a very British business, British-owned business and very successful one, Patrick Stannah, the managing director of Stannah, your company has survived in a big international field, hasn't it? And you're doing very well.
Yes, good afternoon, Sheila. Yes, we've been a successful business now for 5 generations, of the family. So, I think a key to our success is firstly that we are a British and we're an independent business, and we therefore make decisions for the long term. But also our focus is on spreading of risk, and we have a diverse range of products, and we export around about 60% of our stairlifts to overseas markets.
So you don't just make the stairlift?
We don't make stairlifts. I mean, people I think just know us for stairlifts, but we have a range of products from dumbwaiters to lifts to escalators and stairlifts as well.
Patrick, Dominic Laurie here from Five Live Money. You are a British company, and you make your goods here. It would almost be unthinkable for you to try and diversify your manufacturing overseas. You would think very hard before transferring jobs overseas. That's a difference, isn't it, from a British company to a foreign one? Yes, we would. And just to be absolutely precise, we do have an overseas manufacturing plant, but we also have 3 manufacturing plants in the UK. When we were making that decision to move one of our plants overseas around about 8 years ago, it was a very, very tough decision for the family to make. So you, as a British firm, you make use of cheaper foreign labour then? We do in certain markets. We don't actually bring any of the product back into the UK that we manufacture overseas. That product goes into our European markets.
Terry Scola from the Manufacturers Organisation at EEF. How many Stannahs do we have?
We have a fair number of them, and I think this middle level of British business is very strong and it's growing. Equally, we want more.